Welcome to the Michael Rosmer and John Su video battleathon inspired by Gary Vaynerchuk. Today's topic, I'm going to talk about the two sides of responsibility. So think of responsibility as a two-sided coin. On one side of the coin, we have blame. On the other side of responsibility, on the other side of the coin, we have credit. And I mean, that's taking positive credit for a job well done. What has society taught us? Take responsibility for anything bad that happens, but be humble about the positive stuff when something positive happens as a result of you. And I think they've got the definition of blame for negative responsibility. Totally got that bang on. You know what? You do something, it screws up, take ownership of it, right? Take ownership of the blame and responsibility of what you've participated in, right? When you blame others and don't take the negative blame yourself, you've basically given the power away to somebody or something else. Because in your mind, it wasn't me. So if it wasn't you, it means you had no control or power over that situation. And when you have no power over something, you are powerless to change it. And as you know, in life, we always have some contribution to that result. So yeah, blame is the negative side of responsibility. We're going to go to the positive side of responsibility, called taking credit. A lot of people say you should never brag about your accomplishments. And somewhere down the line of humanity, being humble has been subconsciously accepted as don't take credit for what you've achieved. Right? Be humble. It's bragging. It's bad to brag. Oh yeah, don't take credit for it. So here we have a theory that is an incomplete theory about life. How is it that I should take responsibility for the negative impacts, but not take the credit for the positive impacts of my efforts? Real life not like that, right? And what is created now is a guilt, a cycle of guilt, where if something goes wrong, which in probability can happen half the time, I gotta man up and take care of it. But if something tastes good, I gotta man down and not take ownership of it. Right? I believe if you take the credit for the blame, you should also take credit for the fame, right? Because in real life, it's part and parcel to the project, to anything you do. So there's always going to be a good to something, always going to be a bad. There's always going to be, in any relationship, there's going to be the responsibility to someone and accountability to someone. There's also going to have the benefits to that responsibility to someone, right? No matter what, it's a job, it's an investment. A good thing with investments, you have the fame of making money, profit, but you also have the same simultaneous exposure to risk.